Hey, how's it going, guys? Fire Reload here with another video for you guys today. I'll be showing you guys well, an Iron Man helmet. So yeah, this is the Mark IV. This is not my print. I'll leave Xieng Prod, I think it's called. Xieng Prod, I don't know. Down in the description for this template. It's a Dropbox, and so yeah. Let's get on to the Mark IV helmet. I got all my templates made. Time to trace them out. So I'm probably just gonna do like the back piece in red craft foam, and then try to do the rest for the black craft foam. So yeah. Alright, so right here I got all my patterns made on some red craft foam. So yeah, this is how it looks right now with all the pieces. I marked them R and L for right and left, so I know which piece to glue. Here we move on to, this is a scrap piece of craft foam I just had, and I drew the helmet on it, and also the other side pieces on it. So yeah, that's it for the main faceplate and the other side. Right here, I just laid it out so you can see how it goes. That middle piece for the top of the helmet is not actually right, so I did have to change it so it actually fit. And right here, I made a V groove undercut, so actually make a bevel, so it actually looked more accurate to what Xieng Prod did, or Xieng Prod. And I actually filled it with hot glue, low temp hot glue, so it actually dry quicker and fill it up faster. It will make that groove a little more, I don't know, but just look like an edge, basically. So here is it with the two side pieces on the faceplate on it. So this is how it looks. I kind of cut it at an angle on those two side pieces so it would bevel inside the mask. So yeah. And here it is with the top plate with the other two sides on it. And I glue those at an angle too. And right now I'm about to go glue the top pieces to that little edge piece right there. So it makes the faceplate. It's kind of fat, but like I couldn't do anything. So I kind of made it with the helmet. So yeah. Here's the two side pieces with the two top pieces on. This one was kind of confusing, but like I got to it because those two pieces were kind of weird. Here's the chin piece, and I cut some, try to cut some V groove undercuts to it, and so I can glue it. Right here, I'm just laying it out so I can show you how it will look. So yeah. So right here is with the chin piece is glued. Now I did have to re-glue it because I took it to Stockton Con, and actually the chin piece came off. And this is how it looks on me without the faceplate. So here's the back piece I did. I kind of had it was kind of difficult to do, but I got through it, and it was kind of easy, kind of hard at the same time. Now I'm just going to glue it to the back of the helmet so it actually look more accurate. Right here is it's with it glued on it, and yeah, that's how it looks with the back piece. Now I just need to add those earpieces on it, and here's the earpieces on it right here. So yeah, that's how they look, and that's how it looks on my head again. That kind of looks like how Iron Man was in the snow, and you know he had to take out that faceplate off. So here I'm gonna just I just found mesh, and I'm just gonna put it in the back of the faceplate. You're probably wondering why I didn't do it with separate lenses. It's because I did a whole, well, right now I'm about to do a whole rectangle so that way I don't have to glue 2 separate eyepieces. So right here is the mesh. I'm just gonna hot glue it to it, so it doesn't, so no one can see my actual eyes through it. Now right here I have the faceplate all contact cemented in or glued in to the helmet, so it looks like that. So yeah, this is how it looks, all glued, not painted yet. So yeah. Now I'm putting masking tape on here just because I don't want any of the red paint going on the black pieces of the faceplate. So yeah. Now the chin part, here's it with all the red, and the chin part actually took about 3 to 4 coats just to get just to give it even to the other red parts.
Get to making with jive, boy. Say shout when it hits you, yes, in the air, yes, yes, you shout. When it hits you, yes, in the air, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, in the air, yes, yes, you shout.
Now right here, I just put a little bit of masking tape on the bottom because that part needed to be gold, just for his mouthpiece. So yeah, I just put tape on there so it looks at least good. So this is how it looks right here, with all the paint and gold and red. I thought about dry brushing it, but I didn't think so. But like that mouth part with the red that I masked off did take about 4 to 3 coats, again, just to get the right color for it. So this is how it looks. I put Mod Podge over it to get that glossy look. And so yeah, that's how it looks in the inside with all those Sharpie marks in there, but no one's gonna look in there. So you're fine. So, I have this helmet that I made. I covered it with Mod Podge, painted it and stuff, and I actually took it to Stockton Con. So yeah, here's some videos about me cosplaying with the Iron Man helmet at Stockton Con. So yeah, let's see those videos right now.
Yeah, that. You don't want to go. It's close enough. I feel better.
All right, we found this person dressed up as some Halo character, and my friend thought it would be a good idea just to say Halo because he was dressed up as, or some that person was dressed up as a Halo character. So yeah. Also, thanks to my friend Eden for recording like the other parts of me. So yeah, big thanks to him. So yeah, let's get on with that prank he did.
I really want to like.
Well, thanks for watching this helmet build and see me go into StocktonCon with this helmet. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, like, and subscribe, and peace out. See you in the next video.